Next up in public testimony is Ayten Atakishiyeva. Thank you for being here. Please proceed.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. My name is Ayten Atakishiyeva. Thank you so much for pronouncing my name correctly. I am from Orlando, Florida, and I just want to voice my support for HB162. I just want to say quickly, I make about $30,000 a year. I pay $18,000 of that to rent. I don't have extra money to be able to go and repair my devices with Apple, unfortunately. And there are third-party repair shops that would allow me to repair my devices for cheaper. But unfortunately, Apple and many other manufacturers, they make it harder for third-party repair shops to do that. And I just wanted to voice my support and also thank you guys so much for just taking the time out and listening to me and everybody else. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and weekend.
Thank you for your testimony. Next